This video will show how to create schematic symbols in OrCAD X Capture. While schematic symbols are often provided by component manufacturers and verified sources, sometimes schematic symbols must be created to ensure clear communication of the components in the design. In OrCAD X Capture, you can quickly create schematic symbols with custom reference designators and PCB footprints to clearly communicate components in your PCB designs. Start by opening the provided design in OrCAD X Capture. For this example, we will create a schematic symbol for a rotary encoder with its own library. To create a library, select File, New, Library from the menu. The new library is added to the library folder in the Project Manager. To name the library, right-click it and select Save As. Browse to the working directory and enter a name for the library. Click Save. Now let's add a part. To create a part, right-click the library and select New Part. The New Part Properties window opens. Enter a name for the part and its reference prefix. Enter the name of the PCB footprint. Click OK to create the part. Next, we need to draw the part symbol and specify its pins. The Part Editor tab opens automatically with a default part outline. Click and drag the bottom right corner of the outline to adjust the part size. Next, we need to add a rectangle as a base. Select Place Rectangle from the menu. Click to start drawing the rectangle at the upper left corner of the part and click the bottom right corner to finish. To define pins, select Place Pin from the menu. The Place Pin window opens. Here you can define the pin name, number, shape, type, and width. Enter the name of the first pin and 1 for the number. For this example, set the shape to short, the type to passive, and the width to scalar. Click OK. The pin is attached to your cursor. Click to place the pin in the upper left corner of the symbol. To quickly reopen the Place Pin window to define the next pin, press Shift-G on the keyboard. Define and place the required pins for the rotary encoder. When finished, right-click the Part Editor tab and select Save to save the part, then close the tab. The part has been defined. With the part defined, let's place it in the schematic canvas. Select Place Part from the menu. The Place Part panel opens with the rotary encoder library added. Select the library and select the part from the list at the top. A preview is shown towards the bottom of the panel. Click Place Part or double-click the listing to attach the part to your cursor. Click to place 2 instances of the rotary encoder and the empty spaces in the schematic. Right-click and select End Mode. Lastly, let's make sure the part number and PCB footprint were written to the part properties correctly. Right-click one of the new encoders and select Edit Properties. The Property Editor tab opens, showing a table of part properties. The assigned part number is shown under Value, and the assigned PCB footprint is shown as well. Quickly and easily create schematic symbols to ensure clear communication of components with OrCAD X Capture. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.